we must find this integral. It's a double integral. Integral from -1 to 0 of the integral from 0 to 3 of x plus y dx dy. So we integrate at first with respect to x. So it's going to be the integral from -1 to 0 of something here, dy, of what? We're going to integrate from 0 to 3 dx. So we'll treat y as just a number. So we have x raised to the power of 2, it's x squared over 2, plus y times x. And we're going from 0 to 3. So this now will be 3 substituted for x first, 3 squared over 2 plus y times 3. Well, y times 3 is 3y, but we'll deal with that later. Minus 0 substituted for x, 0 squared over 2 plus y times 0. And we're going to find the integral from -1 to 0 of this dy. So 3 squared is 9, this is 9 over 2 plus 3y minus 0. All of this will become 0. Alright, so we're really finding the integral from -1 to 0 of this dy. So now we differentiate, we integrate with respect to y. So 9 over 2 is just a number. So when we integrate 9 over 2, we get 9 over 2y plus, this is 3y to the 1. It becomes 3y to the 1 plus 1 over 1 plus 1, which is 3y squared divided by 2. So it's 3y squared over 2. And we're going from -1 to 0. So substitute 0 first for y. It's 9 over 2 times 0 plus 3 by 0 squared over 2 bracket minus. Then we substitute -1 for y. And divided by 2 times -1 plus 3 by -1 squared over 2. So what we get, all of this will amount to 0. As 9 of any number times 0 is 0, so it's 0 plus 0. 0 squared is 0, 3 by 0 is 0, 0 over 2 is 0. So it's 0 minus 9 divided by 2 by -1 is -9 over 2 plus 3 by -1 squared. -1 squared is a positive 1. So it's 3 times a half, which is 3 over 2. So what you have is negative. And this becomes -9 over 2 plus 3, which is going to be -6 over 2, which is negative of 6 over 2 is 3, -3. But minus -3 is positive 3.